God, I would like to make a wish with you right now. In this location right here, please make a Lambo pull up. Please. Yes, God? Please, God? No, God? Yes? Will you make my dream come true? I guess you did. What's up? You're targeting me. He cut you off. Aston Martin Rapide S. I don't know what that means. No idea what that means. Oh my god, my lower back. Every time I stop, my lower back slaps my face. Dude, if this shit was in a McLaren, it should be pollen booty. Some serious booty. Mega sign. Oh, love her. She gave me a thumbs up and a smile, like a happy smile. It's really hard because on the GoPro you can't see the full emotion that I see in real life. The emotions in the eyes, when my eyes meet their eyes and make some sweet, passionate love. You guys can't see that on the camera, but I love her, man. I love her. Thank you so much. Me love her a long time. I love her! I want her to be my aunt. GTR. Big booty blank. Where the big booty blanks at? And by big booty blanks, I don't just mean women, I mean also men. No segregation, no racism, no sexism. I'm into both, boys or girls, man. Ooh. NSX. Already had fun with that, man. NSX. It's stupid fast. Stupid fast. But I already had fun with one, so blah. And I think we got some riders popping up. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, no. Moped gang, moped gang, moped gang. Popping up on me, pulling up on me. And let's see what they're all about. I honestly thought they'd be riders, but they're not. I'm kind of sad. Moped crew. Rolling deep. Squad up. Look at them go. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Nope. They ain't about that life. They squatted up with their mopeds. They even got a rear tire so they can whoop it at somebody who cuts them off. Hey, hey, hey! Chupster! Ooh. Okay, that was karma right there. You guys wanna know instant karma? That was instant karma right there. That was shade of karma. What up, moped gang? They're out. Squad out. They out. Ooh, chrome. Mirror chrome. Ooh, what is that? R1100S Randy Mermaid. I know it doesn't say mermaid, but mermaid sounds cooler. It's a box car? Box cup. Boxer cup. Something with undergarments. They race for undergarments. He doesn't want anything to do with me, nor does he. But Aventador guy has something to do with me, so hey. I'd take that. Mostly nice-ish, kind of. I don't know. I wouldn't ride it. But it still looks cool. Different. Unique. There you go. Right word. Da 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 da. Oh. Ooh, Lambo! I'm playing. That sounds so annoying when I say that. But it is a Lambo. Remember, I got a golden rule. We gotta stay behind the car. Can't get in front of the car, because if we get in front of the car, we lose the call. So we have to stay behind the call. Girls pursue me like a dream. Tupac just said it. But he didn't say girls. He said bish. Ah, look at him go. That's 1000 RR. I couldn't tell if it was a new one or not. I think it was before 2015. Underground racing, huh? Underground racing, show me what you got. And once again, I'm in front of the car that I'm chasing. Come on, close on us, close on us, close on us, close on us, close on us. Come on, close on us, close on us, close on us. Come on, close on us, close on us. Ooh, Merc. Oh, you gotta be effing me, dog. As soon as I passed, you close. As soon as I passed, you close. Well, it's not meant to be then. F the Lambo, man. There's a bajillion more out there. Lambo and Ferrari are the only two vehicles that I don't care how many times Nimbus has made love to him, I'll still have her make love to them over and over and over and over hold such a special spot in my heart. They're so dear to me. I'm going backwards. I'm going backwards. I hate hills, man. Who invented hills? I hate them, man. I'm still going backwards. Come on, man. Look, nobody to the left, nobody to the right. Come on, I want some chat. Oh, here it comes. God, I would like to make a wish with you right now. In this location right here, please make a Lambo pull up. Please. Yes, God? Please, God? No, God? Yes? Will you make my dream come true? I guess he did. I'll murk it if it wants it to. He has a cigar in his mouth while he was doing it. That is amazing. Thank you, God, so much. God, I love you, God. Oh! I asked for a God to pull up a Lambo, he did it. And then I wanted to market it, he did it. I power wheelied, by the way, if you guys didn't notice. And I did short shift by accident. It's in race one, by the way, not slick. I'm kind of scared today because I already had a tank slapper, a mini one, not a full-on one, but it still counts as a tank slapper. I still kept up with it. He got a head start on me though, but I still kept up with it. He was only ahead of me because of the head start. Because once again, I don't want to pull like an idiot, and he's not pulling, then I look like an idiot, kind of. I never look like an idiot, I look like a savage, but still, I kind of wanted him to be like, he's actually dusting off his car. I've never seen that in my life. As you're riding, you're dusting your car. Nah, but seriously, I had him. Like, if we had more of his space, I would have redlined him, I would have had him. Whew. But hey! He still did it, and I love him for it. I love you, God, so much. Money and weed, Alizé, the Hennessy. Free advertisement, Fit for Mom. Go check her out. So she works out moms and makes them fit. So go check her out, and she might make you moms fit. Because I know a lot of mothers watch my channel. They always wanted a bad boy in their life, but they don't have one, so they use me as one. I'm the bad boy they need. Bye, dog. Huracan. I'm getting green like I'm supposed to. Gotta holler at these hoes to see how many I can go through. If I know from the beginning, from the get-go, that the dude's gonna be a savage and he's gonna pull it and make some love with Nimbus, then I'll pull from the very beginning. I won't wait. But if I don't know, then I can't pull. And everything happens within a couple of seconds. So it's really hard. So bear with me, homies and homettes. Plus we got Tupac playing, man. I need a red light so I can lane split. Otherwise I'm too scared. Too scared. Dude, if it was a rolling start, I would have destroyed the hell out of it, man. Destroyed the hell out of it. Excusez-moi, excusez-moi. Bumps scare me. I like this road. It's really calm and nice, and kind of shows me that I'm stupidly poor and these guys are stupidly rich. But I'm rich where it matters. Personality. Ask yourself, who has a personality like mine, man? You've never met anyone like me, man. Nor will you ever. Well, you have already met someone like me, but I confused myself right there. But still, awesomeness is here. Look it up in the dictionary. I am the hype. Fotos, los fotos, no, las fotos. I don't know, I need to work on my Spanish. Now the semester's over, I need to immerse myself even more than usual, as my professor says. Otherwise, I lose it. And if I lose it, then I'll never get a bach. Did I ever have it though? Even though my professor thinks I have a lot of potential to master Spanish, I highly doubt it. I only want to learn the dirty words and how to ask a girl out and say cute things to her to make her feel all warm on the inside. That's all I want to do with the girl. That's all I want to do with the Spanish language. I don't want to speak to people who speak Spanish, but yeah, I want to watch those spicy telenovelas with those hotties in there, those Mexicana chicas. Caliente, muy caliente. That's what I want to watch. And I finally want to understand what they're saying instead of just staring into their eyes deeply. I would like to know what they're talking about as well. Lil Wayne just dropped the beat with his words. So I had to say, you! He looks very shady. He just spit at me. You saw that? He spit at me. Even though it was on the ground, he still spit at me. Prep boys. Preppy boys. Prep boys? What the hell is Prep boys? Pep boys. They work at Pep boys. Come on, dress like a thug, man. Oh, we got Snoop and we got Pac. Snoop and Pac. Snoop Pac. Old people playing tennis. No, they're just rolling a ball to each other. How is that recreation for old people? If I had like a retirement home, an activity that I would set up for old people would be pole dancing. Imagine how awesome they would feel when they start pole dancing. They'll feel sexy, they'll feel alive, they'll feel young, all because of pole dancing. Males and females. Okay, it's getting hot. I'm wearing too many layers, so I thought it was gonna be a cold day today. And it's like 75 degrees, which is kind of cold, but still. Racist, the weather's racist. And you know what? I'm gonna start playing the racist card much more than I do. I have the privilege of doing it, so why not? It would be wrong if I didn't. You know what I mean? It would be wrong if I didn't. You know what, Merc? You're just a Merc. So, ooh, it's a GT. Ooh, hasta la vista, hasta la vista, hasta la vista. Cut, get butt. You know what? A lot of you guys have been telling me that you heard that I could do tricks with my mouth. I don't know where you guys heard that from, but it's just a rumor that I could do tricks with my mouth. 4 girls in 1 jacuzzi. That time I was about to crash because I was rapping. I believe that's a Jaguar and a Lotus right in front of it. Could be wrong. I'm usually wrong. What you looking at? I'm playing. I'm playing. We're peaceful people. I know it's a very bad song because it says I heard she could do some tricks with her mouth, which is very objectifying and dirty and inflammatory and degrading and objectifying and sexy and awesome and amazing. But still, I like the song. Dude, calm down. I've murked you so many times. Ah! He liked it. I got that nod from him. I thought it was a sports bike. I was gonna get down and dirty, but Porsche with a spoiler. Okay, enough is enough. We're lane spitting out of this mug. Seriously, people, push the pedal. Come on, 3 lanes, 3 lanes, 3. Oh my God, little pump. He did it right in my ear. He dropped the beat right in my ear. Oh, maybe it is a Lotus. Hey, hey! Yeah, it's a Lotus. Got me in a trance, DJ turn me up. Ladies, this your jam. I'ma sip Moscato while you pull down those pants. Some money while you do it with no hands. Girl, drop it to the floor. I love the way your booty goes. I wanted to drive very dirty, so please God, make some space so I can pop a molly and lean back, because I'm getting really impatient. My senses are on fire when I'm riding. Pushing buttons like I'm coming up. They like me. They gave me the peace sign. They want to make love to me in the Range Rover. I'm pretty sure it's spacious. Okay, I'm down. I've never messed around in a Range Rover before. G-Wagon, yes, not a Range Rover. And no, it wasn't my G-Wagon. It was a girl that I was seeing. Lols. Look ma, no hands. I said, look ma, no hands. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. My bitch love doing cocaine. I'm not gonna lie, Lil Pump did Gucci Gang. Dedication 6, Lil Wayne comes in and does Goopy Gang and destroys it and takes the song for himself. Last road in a wise word being quoted. There's a girl in the Corvette. That's why I knew she wouldn't do anything, because she's smart. She's not stupid. She's smart. And now she's behind me. Booty shot. She got that booty shot. The back shot, the money shot. But what is the true money shot? No one will ever know. I should ask him. He's a nomad, so he probably knows, because he's traveled the wild. The RV life is a nasty life, man. That is a funky life, man. You meet a chick who lives in an RV, she gonna be funky, I'm telling you. Or a guy. Oh, we're in sport mode. That's why it's Nemesis hollering at me like that. I'm sorry, dog, but I can't be behind a trailer because I can't see anything. What if there's a shotty in front of me and I won't be able to see it? It'll be too late. I want to have fun with the V4. Panagali. Panagali. That's my Italian accent. Panagali. Prego, prego, prego. Roberto, prego. Cocaine on her navel so my tongue can go ham. Alright, so I want you guys to put cocaine on my navel so your tongue can go ham. I'm willing to do that for you guys. But please, be girls. Don't me. If you're a guy, I'll still let you do it because you're a loyal subscriber and a follower of me. You follow me religiously like a god, like a not a god, a demigod. But seriously, I'm willing to do it for you guys, but preferably women. Cocaine, heroin, weed, any of the drugs you can pour into my navel, and then you can make your tongue go ham. I'm willing to do that for you guys. See how much I do for you guys? See how much I do for you guys? No. Choose, are you gonna go or not? Okay, he blocked me off too, so now I can't go either. Actually, I could go. I can't go anymore. He cut me off. Thank you. He was a nice guy. I want him to be my uncle. I need to make an application because I want to expand my family. I have a very small family. I have pretty much nobody. I wouldn't mind having him as my uncle. He's fluffy like a polar bear. I love hugging people that are fluffy. Boys and girls. Fluffiness does not know sex or gender. I told my girl I'll be there, so prepare to get F down. Bye bye, Kaiman. Coming. Ah, this lad is a savage. It cut me off like a mug. Ooh, Ducati 848. I'm not gonna lie, I turn myself on whenever I like identify a bike correctly. I don't know why, it turns me on. Ooh, twins. Well, that chick really popped out a lot of kids. What is it, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids in that crew? She has a freaking army of kids. She could take over the world, or a small portion of the world. Either way, she has some sort of army. I wonder how a planet tastes. You know, like Pluto. I still consider it a planet, but I wonder how it tastes. Like a rock from Pluto. Aren't you ever curious how a planet tastes? Not Earth, like Mercury or like Venus. Venus is probably really hot. Like, it's like eating Indian food mixed with Kung Pao. But still, I'm very curious on how it might taste. Like, I'm not talking about like, you know, getting an ice cream scooper and scooping up a part of the planet. I just want to like lick the surface. And if I lick the surface, then I'll kind of figure out how it tastes. You can tell a lot by licking something. I've licked a lot of things in my life. But yeah, I've licked a lot of things in my lifetime. And you can learn a lot of history by licking things. So I would like to lick planets. That'd be kind of awesome. I don't know, I feel like we'll have a fruity flavor like Pluto. Pluto would be more like bitter. Sour, bitter, because you know it got kicked out of the solar system community. I think Saturn would be the fruity one, like super fruity. I gotta sniff Nimbus, but there's no, I need a red light so I can sniff Nimbus correctly. Rolls Royce, you think a little pull? I don't know, I thought it would. I don't know why. God damn, son. What's up? Wait 1 second. What's up?
Oh, I see he's a new driver. That's Scion FRS. I saw he took I saw he take his van. I just apologize for that.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's cool. Don't worry about it. Thanks.
Okay. Have a nice day.
He was telling me that the guy was apologizing who almost hit me. Once again, I can't hear people that well because music, and I forgot to close the Nimbus off. And he stalled. I feel bad. I feel bad. He's such a nice guy. And I feel like he was telling me that because, you know, people do road rage and stuff, or especially bikers. But I'm not like that, man. Peaceful people. I dodged it. He didn't get hurt. I didn't get hurt. I'm cool with it. Life goes on.